Yes, indeed. This is Professor David Steinberg of SteinbergFiles.com talking to you tonight about President Obama, the debate, and Medicare. And if I seem a little testy, I apologize. I get, when I watch the President of the United States lie through his teeth throughout a debate to the American people, I get a little annoyed. Let's talk about Medicare. Associated Press. President Barack Obama says Republican rival Mitt Romney would turn Medicare into a private system and put seniors at the mercy of insurance companies. You're kidding me. Tell me you're kidding me. Obama and his Obamacare policy has already, if implemented, will destroy Medicare. The plan is to strip $716 billion out of Medicare to pay for Obama's giant bureaucratic disaster called Obamacare. Is the money going to go toward medical care? Of course not. It's going to go for more bureaucrats. How are we going to save this $716 billion? Mr. President, this is the real genius. We'll just pay doctors in hospitals less to care for people on Medicare. We'll reimburse them less. Wow, isn't that clever? Let me, Mr. President, you're such a smart guy. Let me ask you a question. If you pay doctors less to care for seniors on Medicare, do you think the seniors will get better care or worse care? Answer: they won't get any care at all. That's the answer. Doctors aren't going to be able to afford to see Medicare patients because the reimbursement rate is going to be so low, because you need to confiscate the money for your transformative agenda. So, oh yes, under Obamacare as a senior, you will still have quote-unquote Medicare, but it won't pay enough for you to be able to see a doctor or to go to a hospital. You won't be able to get any care at all. That is the president's plan, and then he goes out and attacks Mitt Romney on Medicare. Isn't that it? What a compassionate guy. Isn't President Obama compassionate? Well, gee, why would he want to do that? Why would someone, president, want to deny coverage for seniors? Take away medical coverage for seniors? What could the motive possibly be? Hey, you Pulitzer Prize winners over at the New York Times, what could it possibly be? Let's try something here. Let's just try something with me. Let's look at the demographics from the U.S. election. You guys ever think of doing that? Let's do that. Obama, of course, in the 2008 election, handily beat John McCain in most demographics, but not in one. Voters 65 and over. Obama 45%, McCain 53%. You get it? Little payback, huh? So seniors aren't going to vote for Obama. Well, all right. He'll just take their coverage away. Turns out all of you people in the mainstream media who are all so smart, when Sarah Palin talked about Obamacare as a death panel, you all beat her up. Turns out she's absolutely right. Obamacare would be one giant death panel for seniors. Let me make this simple enough for even a liberal to understand. Seniors on Medicare aren't going to be able to get medical coverage because Medicare won't pay doctors enough to be able to afford to see them. Now, if you have somebody who's dependent on Medicare, as I do, that you care about, maybe a parent, maybe a relative, maybe a friend, if you want them to be able to get medical care, you can't vote for President Obama Because if Obamacare is implemented, they will not get medical care. This is Professor David Steinberg of the SteinbergFiles.com.